You and me, we eat it. We eat pain for breakfast.
So if you're anything like me, you're scrolling X, seeing video after video, Seedance 2.5, K-pop video right here, scroll down. You can use 50 assets on this model. It generates 30 seconds. It's gonna crush all the other models. Look at how high quality it looks. Everything is great. Let's go use this model. And coming soon to Higgsfield. All these ads for a model that's not out, is it? People are saying it's available on Dramenia, the founders of TikTok that also made the model. Let's go there. Let's try it. Type in our prompt here. Let's just check. Seedance 2 Fast, Seedance 2 Mini, Seedance 2. Where is Seedance 2.5? It's not out. Oh, and look here. Byte Plus, Dramenia Seedance 2.5 is now live. We go to the website. Dramenia Seedance 2.5 coming soon. Everyone's doing this. This is complete bait. The reality is the model is not really out. It's not on Higgsfield. It's not on any of these other platforms, but some of these platforms do have extremely limited access that they're giving people to make this promotional content for the model. That being said, it's virtually impossible to access. I'm not personally sponsored by anyone. I want to be super impartial. I'm not saying that these services are bad. I don't recommend doing any unlimited subscriptions because they always fade away and people get really mad about the terms changing and all of that. But I'm really, really interested in this model. I've spent hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on Seedance 2.0. It's by far the best model for realistic and cinematic looking content. And I'm going to be showing you a bunch of videos. And I'm also going to show 3 new AI models that came out, test them, and see if they can hold up to Seedance. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Adrian, and I've gotten over 1 billion views on AI content on social media this year. The most common question I get asked in a summary of my entire channel in a nutshell is what AI video model do I use? Or sometimes they'll ask what app do I use or something like that. But to get to the point, there's 2 absolute killer models. We have Seedance by ByteDance. Obviously, we're talking about 2.5 in the beginning of this video. I've used Seedance 2.0 quite a bit to make professional ads. It costs more money. They come out really good. It's about 20 times more expensive. It's slower to generate, but it has extremely high quality. Now, if you want to do kind of like the animated formats I do on social media, I will be using Google's Omni model. It's extremely good. It's extremely fast. And very importantly, it's extremely cheap. So if you want to generate hundreds and hundreds of clips, you can do that on a budget, whereas you'll be spending thousands of dollars with Seedance. And the reality is, I don't think that's going to change today, but today I did want to talk about 3 new models. We have Flux 3, which is an open source model. This is a really cool new improvement. I remember Flux back in the day, they had a killer image model before Nano Banana. Then we have Halio MiniMax H3, a new video model. And then number 3, we have Grok 1.5. All 3 of these video models are stepping up for sure. And I'm going to show you a sample output in just a second. But I really think they're maybe a month or 2 behind, maybe like right before Seedance 2 and around that VO3 Google level of generations. I haven't done too much tests, but I generated this image with GBT image. It looks very realistic. And then I gave it a very simple prompt of just 2 people talking. The reason I did this is because, you know, you need actual dialogues in almost every social media content or marketing content out there on the internet. And a few months ago, most of the other smaller models couldn't even do dialogues, lip sync, all of that. So I'm going to be showing you this simple example right now 3 different times. Here is the Flux 3 rendering. I just gave it this image and I gave it this prompt, and I'm going to be playing the video. It's in vertical video format right there. It's a little bit big. Obviously, it'll look a little better on a smaller screen, but let's play it.
Iron hold challenge on a dare, and honestly, I thought we'd quit by day 3.
3 weeks later, neither of us has missed a single day.
So way better than any of these open source video models have done in the past. A little bit shaky, but that might be intentional of just how the video model thought that maybe the motion of the people was. I would say the voices are pretty good. Honestly, the one surprising thing when it comes to AI video is usually the tell for me of a video is AI, especially if it's really small or on a small screen or whatever, is the voice. Like the voices just aren't exactly like human voices. And a few more details on the Flux 3 model. You're paying 30 cents per second, so you're in the Seedance price territory. This is very expensive, meaning this video cost me multiple dollars just to generate right here. And then you can do 1080p. I mean, most of the models didn't even work on 1080p just a couple months ago, so that's a huge improvement. Now let's compare that to a MiniMax. Now let's compare that to MiniMax H3, another video model that just came out over the last few days. We have the 2K resolution, and then the cost very similar, 26 cents per second. Let's play the video.
We signed up for the Iron Hold Challenge on a dare, and honestly, I thought we'd quit by day 3.
3 weeks later, neither of us has missed a single day.
One thing I noticed on this video model is it does a really good job with that kind of lighting and overexposure right there. Looks super realistic. I like how the hair moves. I think maybe the voices are a little bit better. I would give it a little bit of an edge, but ultimately I would have to test a lot more to definitively say that one was better than the other. Now, lastly, we have Grok, Elon's company. You know, they were just barely animating images like, I don't know, 5 or 6 months ago. Now they have actual video and they're stepping it up. We have 1.5, it has dialogues, all that. And if you scroll down, but it is going to allow us to do it on 1080p at 25 cents per second, so slightly cheaper, but all of these are in the ballpark of Seedance, whereas Google Omni, you're looking at more like 10 cents for a 10-second video, so that's like 1 cent, so it's about 20x cheaper. Anyways, I'm going to be playing this Grok video, and then we can analyze it.
We signed up for the Iron Hold Challenge on a dare, and honestly, I thought we'd quit by day 3.
3 weeks later, neither of us has missed a single day.
We signed up for the Iron...
Honestly, this is pretty good. And like I said, I like how it handled the light here. A lot of movements on the characters. The voices were pretty good. I would honestly rate this model. I would honestly rate Grok, potentially H3, and maybe even Flux 3 as better than VO3 for realistic people. Maybe even better than Omni, but just slightly worse than I think Seedance 2.0, the model that's been out for a couple of months. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the real fun. Seedance 2.5. I'm going to be showing you the best clips that I found on X. I'm going to have the links in the description, and let's enjoy.
All you've got is 12 minutes. Can you fight for 12 minutes? Can you? You're standing square and taking it flush. Hands up. Eyes open. 8 rounds he's been smashing you, and you're still here. He don't understand it. Pain's a stranger to him. You and me, we eat it. We eat pain for breakfast. It's what made us the men we are. He's got nothing left. He's found out what it costs to come up against men like us, and he can't afford it. Now it's time to pay him back with interest. You eat pain, and now you're gonna feast on his. Are you hungry? I said, are you hungry?
Yes, coach.
Are you starving?
Yes, coach.
Then let's go!
I don't know about you guys, but that literally looks like a movie to me. That's like all I can say is if someone showed me that, I don't think that I could distinguish it as AI. Now let's go into this next demo. This one is cool because it shows Seedance 2.0 on the top versus Seedance 2.5. Both are really impressive, but you can see some of the improvements on Seedance 2.5. And here's another similar prompt, Tech Holla. This is going to be full screen Seedance 2.5.
Maggie?
Yes?
So if I want to be really picky, the bacon kind of warped through at the end. A little bit of the copy kind of went through the glass in an unnatural way. But what really matters, the dialogue and everything at the end, it's just incredibly good. And you also have to keep in mind that these are videos that are uploaded 2x, compressed, all of that. The actual original video is probably looking a little bit better. And the last video I want to leave off with was this cool one called Angel and Demon. It's super intense, so let's get into it.
Your chaos ends here.
We shall see, little bird.
Not today.
Super cinematic. It looks like a high resolution video game meets like Harry Potter aesthetics or whatever. It's just so incredible. I'm super excited for this model to release. And if you want to become a pro at AI video, make sure to check out my school. The link will be in the description. The next thing I'm going to be focusing on is creating tons of templates and prompts for Seedance 2.0 to make amazing visual content. It's going to be mostly focused around marketing for advertisements and stuff like that, but we're also going to do general content and basically everything you're going to need to know about Seedance 2.5. I'm going to be following up this video when it actually fully releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.